Dear mariners, welcome to my channel The Sailing Beast. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos. We will discuss MS Act Section 370-372 Power of Court to cancel, suspend master, mate and gainer officer COC. Section 370. Powers of Court as to certificate granted by the central government. 1. A certificate of a master, mate or engineer which has been granted by the central government under this act may be cancelled or suspended. A. By a court holding a formal investigation into a shipping casualty under this part if the court finds that the loss, stranding or abandonment of, or damage to, any ship, or loss of life, has been caused by the wrongful act or default of such master, mate or engineer. B. By a court holding an inquiry under this part into the conduct of the master, mate or engineer if the court finds that he is incompetent or has been guilty of any gross act of drunkenness, tyranny or other misconduct, or in a case of collision has failed to render such assistance or give such information as is required by Section 348. 2. At the conclusion of the investigation or inquiry, or as soon thereafter as possible, the court shall state in open sitting the decision to which it may have come with respect to the cancellation or suspension of any certificate and, if suspension is ordered, the period for which the certificate is suspended. 3. Where the court cancels or suspends a certificate, the court shall forward it to the central government together with the report it is required by this part to transmit to it. Section 371. Power of Court to censure master, mate or engineer where it appears to the court holding an investigation or inquiry that having regard to the circumstances of the case an order of cancellation or suspension under Section 370 is not justified, the court may pass an order censuring the master, mate or engineer in respect of his conduct. Section 372. Power of Court to remove master and appoint new master. 1. A. Judicial magistrate of the first class, specially empowered in this behalf by the central government, or a metropolitan magistrate, may remove the master of any ship within his jurisdiction if the removal is shown to his satisfaction to be necessary. 2. The removal may be made upon the application of the owner of any ship or his agent, or of the consignee of the ship, or of any certificated officer or of 1/3 or more of the crew of the ship. 3. The judicial magistrate of the first class or metropolitan magistrate, as the case may be, may appoint a new master instead of the one removed, but where the owner, agent or consignee of the ship is within his jurisdiction, such an appointment shall not be made without the consent of that owner, agent or consignee. 4. The judicial magistrate of the first class or metropolitan magistrate, as the case may be, may also make such order and require such security in respect of the costs of the matter as he thinks fit. Marine Board,